Is the original Batman.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs, let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Girl, you are me island king. Beauty now your body, girl, me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, girl, your fire can cool. Wait, she says she want the rundown. Bad man na me, they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, may she calm down. Bad man na me, they run town. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me na give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you.
1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, too, get it on me. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, too, get it on me. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. Don't know, listen, bad man, on the instrument. I give it them one time, one time. You got me, baby.
This is the finished look from the wig from UNICE or UNICE hair. The bundles were a 16, 18, and a 22. I'll put it down in the description bar, y'all, because I really don't remember. But this hair is like really bouncy, really fluffy, really nice. I mean, it's fat all the way down to the ends. I'm telling you, it's no thin ends at all here, baby. Look at this. So what I did was just went on and just made myself a parting. I didn't bleach the knots, y'all. I just went on and just made myself a parting, put some concealer up in here, and kind of like just, it came pre-plucked. Actually, the frontal came pre-plucked. So, the hair is, it don't shed. much. It shed a little teeny bit, but that's only because I believe that I had cut the bundles when I used the glue gun. And I'm gonna tell you guys, I love the glue gun method. I really do. That's my first time doing the glue gun method, y'all. I know you didn't know that, did you? That was my first time, and I really enjoyed it. I'm trying to really be fast and talking because my camera's about to cut off, so if it cut off, I want you to know, be blessed and not stressed. Okay, so with this hair, it curls really good, and it's so super soft and manageable, if you can see it. And I call myself like putting a hump in the front. I mean, look at this hair, guys. This hair is like really manageable and really nice. I love it. It's nice and fluffy and bouncy, and the shine is like tremendously beautiful. I didn't put anything much on the hair, but I put some Cream of Nature argan oil on it, and that was it, honey. And I went on and wand curled it, and this is what I got, big fluffy curls. So I hope you enjoyed the video, ladies. Like J Baby always says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Oh, I will put all of the links down in the description bar, and thank you to UNICE Hair. Be blessed. Mwah.